Good morning to one and all. Today our topic is the gallery method in third unit. We seen previous classes intuitive methods. In that we have discussed the topic that is nothing but brainstorming rules and techniques for generating idea generations. Okay, now today we are discussing the topic. It is also one of the method include in intuitive, that is nothing but the second method is nothing but gallery method. First of all, in this method what you have to learn, what are the mechanism done there, what does it exactly, now we can see. First of all, in this method, this the name says what this method says, gallery a method. Before we are discussing gallery method, who was developed, that one we have seen now. Okay, the gallery method developed by Helfrich, Hellfritz. Helfrich. The gallery method was developed by Helfrich. What this method intention in the sense, in this method the participants, in the sense the users, move past the ideas. For example, as in an art gallery. Okay, rather than the ideas moving past the participants. What in this method, what the intention in the sense, already we will take some photos at the past years, we have to save it in an art gallery. Likewise, in this method the users move past the ideas in the sense they are able to generate some new innovative thoughts, as in an art gallery, in the sense one of the folder like gallery. Okay, rather than the ideas or whatever it may be, moving past the participants, what they are thinking at the time of past years, since duration the time what they are doing, that ideas are all or keep it at one place, that is like nothing but art gallery. Okay, so several flip chart sheets are posted around the room and participants circulate and record their ideas. Yes, exactly. What in the sense, one student have one idea about one particular topic, that person exactly whatever they think at our mindset, they put it in a paper. They are like a drawing way representation on the particular topic. They are represented on that particular chart sheet. They are he posted around the room. He belongs one room now. At that room he is posted on the wall, that whatever they imagine like about one particular product development ideas or whatever it may be. Okay, the participants like circulate and record their ideas, their innovative thoughts and ideas. They will be generated. Okay, what I'm meant to say in the sense, that person he combines individual work with group work. What I'm meant to say, ma, he combines individual work with group work, and it is particularly suitable for any stage of the design process. It is particularly suitable for any stage of the design process, where the solution proposals can be expressed in the form of sketches or drawings, whatever it may be. They are represented on a flip chart sheets, whatever they are thinking about at our mindset. Okay, for the development of product or whatever the consumer needs or desires. What I meant to say in the sense, he combines individual work with a group work, and it is particularly suitable for any stage of the design process. So where the solutions proposals can be expressed in the form of sketches or drawings. what the main motivation about the particular company or organization. The team building, it is similar to a brainstorming, in the sense of brainstorming, in the sense they are able to think, they are generating some new ideas and thoughts, whatever they develop for a particular product development or product planning. Okay, this that the main motto of our gallery method. The organization and a team building are similar to a brainstorming. Okay, in this method what we want to say, the participants move past the ideas, as in an art gallery, rather than the ideas. Moving past the participants, whatever they do, they are keep it in record way, or it is an photo way, or it is an imagic representation, or whatever it may be. They are represented, several flip chart sheets are posted around the room, circulated. The participants who are developed that creativity things and record their ideas. This is the main motto of our gallery method. What are the procedure steps we have seen one by one? What we are developing, the procedure steps we want to follow. The first step, listen carefully, otherwise we can't able to understand the concept. Okay, first one, position a flip chart paper around the room. Okay, first of all, around the room we have to place at one place, position a flip chart paper. First of all, we have to define with the problem a statement, what that problem we have to define, and we have to discover and understanding what that problem. We are analyzing the problem first. Okay, we are displayed that with the problem statement displayed, so everyone can see it. Okay, everyone, each and every person must watch it. The groups should be between 5 to 7 people. 5 to 7 people groups should be between a group must have 5 to 7 people. That's enough. The statement should be discussed briefly for clarification. What that problem statement should be discussed briefly for the problem clarification, what we want to do. Okay, first procedure, first step in our gallery method, we want to position flip chart paper around the room with the problem statement, whatever we want to displayed, so everyone can watch it. The statement should be discussed briefly for that particular clarification. Okay, and coming to the second step, the group members silently write down ideas on the sheet of paper. In the sense, whatever the group members able to think the problem statement, they are think about our mindset. Take one paper and pen, put down the ideas on the sheet of paper. They can write directly onto that particular sheet or on cards, whatever it may be, and stick these on the flip chart, whatever they think like cards, and stick these ideas about on a sheet of paper, on a flip chart, whatever it may be. The group members write down their ideas on a sheet of paper. So the writing should be large, it must and should be clear, and it must and should be concise to enable other to read it easily. Okay, others can able to understand whatever we are saying, the class or teaching. The others must and should able to understand what I am writing, the ideas on the sheet of paper. It should be clear, okay, to read it easily and understand to others it in a proper manner. Okay, and coming to the third step, listen carefully. After 20 to 30 minutes of writing, a break is taken. If you have to writing about the problem statement, if you have take for example 20 to 30 minutes of writing, later we can take a break. Okay, and the participants are given 15 minutes to walk around the room, viewing ideas on the other flip chart and making notes. For example, if you have take a break and the participants are thinking a lot in our mindset, if you have given for 15 minutes relaxation at our mindset, we are able to think generating innovative ideas, to walk around the room. At that time you are viewing your idea, and on that paper, on that flip chart, we have to mention or we have to make a note that key point whatever. If we have to able to think at our mindset, we are written it on a paper or a flip chart. Okay, this is the third step we want to follow in our gallery method. Coming to the fourth step, participants return to their own work areas and continue generating their own ideas or make improvements on the ideas of others. Okay, exactly, yes, correct this point. The participants return their own work areas and continue generating their new ideas about the problem statement, or we can say to make improvements on the ideas of others. In the sense, one member has able to think one idea and other member also have thinking like same that, but if we have to improve, but if we have to enhance your ideas to others. Okay, and coming to the fifth point, when the group appears to be running low on ideas again, and repeat step 3 and 4, or else close the idea generating phase. What in the sense exactly, when the group members or appear to be running low on ideas, when coming to the problem statement, we want to repeat step 3 and step 4, we get some new ideas about the particular problem statement, or else close the idea generating phases. Okay, this is the concept of we are getting some new ideas of that particular problem statement, whatever the consumer needs or desires. Okay, and coming to the sixth step we are following in our gallery method, that is nothing but after the terminal round is completed. Yes, the terminal round, it should be completed, all ideas are pulled together. Yes, we have to gather the all ideas at one place, and we are sorted, classified which idea is best suitable for the problem statement, for the product development or enhancement or improvement. Okay, and coming to the seventh step, the group, in a group member, the team leader is there. The team leader must examine the ideas and select the best one, those deserving further attention or implementation. What I meant to say in the sense, the group must and should examine and must and should watch the ideas and select those deserving the further attention or implementation. Okay, and coming to the variation post it note brainstorming what they are discussed exactly. In the sense, variation post variation it note brainstorming is exactly what we have to do. It can be relaxed, it can be a relaxation, and the person which is able to generate new ideas and thoughts. We some of these ideas, it can be crafted into a original 1. Okay, what I meant to say in the sense, the full group is divided in groups of 3 to 5. Form at least 3 different small groups. So each small group brainstorms and writes their ideas and post it notes. Okay, what I meant to say in the sense, if you have some full group, if you take one full group, it is divided into groups like 3 groups or 5 groups, approximately your wish. If we have to form at least 3 different small groups, one group have 5 members and another group have 5 members and one more group have 5 members. Okay, like each small group brainstorms, they are thinking, they are particular person can able to think one new innovative idea about the problem statement and write their ideas on post it notes. We have to post it the at that what you have to mention it on notes. Okay, and coming to the display brainstorming, display in the sense we want to show what if we have to generate the new idea, display a brainstorming, what you have to able to think the new ideas, you mustn't able to display yet on a flip chart, yet on your sheet of paper or notes, whatever it may be. Okay, the full group is divided into a small groups, so each small group works at a flip chart. Yes, exactly, if we have to take full group is divided in, it is segmented into small groups, that each small group they works at a flip chart. For example, one member have to take one flip chart and mention their new ideas about that flip chart and brainstorms, in the sense they able to think about a particular development product or a process generating how it will be. Okay, after a few minutes or if we have to take some set time, and groups settle on their best ideas. Okay, the groups divided in the sense one group have think about innovative idea about a product development, they are depending upon the they are based on the best ideas to generate and subsequently display it at their station. Okay, they are whatever they are thinking they are display at its station. If you have to take some like TV, like display like a laptop or a tablet or mobile phone, whatever your imaginations, if you have to display it on your group members around the room, it circulate the participants what you are able to think the ideas, it should be generated. Yes, it's exactly right, they are saying like this. Okay, and coming to the last step in our gallery method, that is nothing but brain walking. What does it mean exactly, brain walking? It's one type of technique, ma'am. Brain walking, it's one of the technique. It is similar to brain writing. Okay, some members are able to think at our mindset, they are writing at our brain set only, like it is a similar, it is the same as brain walking technique also. But in this case what we have to learn in the sense, but in this case the participants write their ideas. What I meant to say in the sense, the participants, whatever the users, write their own ideas and thoughts on a large sheet of paper, covering the walls. Okay, exactly, it's right. Brain walking a technique, it is similar to what we want to say a brain writing, but in this case the participants write their own ideas and thoughts on a large sheet of paper, covering their walls. Okay, this is the concept of gallery method. Okay, in this topic if you have any doubts regarding this gallery method, can you please ask me? If you have any doubts regarding the topic, at the time of a class we can discuss once. Okay, in further video we have discussed the next method, that is under intuitive method, that is nothing but Delphi method. What method we have to discuss in further video, that is also very important technique we are discussed ma. Coming under the intuitive methods, it is also a one type of method we have to expert in a particular field for returning your opinions. Okay, this is the concept of Delphi method. We are returning whatever the person opinions. Okay, this is the concept of gallery method. If you have any doubts regarding this, can you please contact me. Up to now, thank you ma.